Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing an unboxing and first impressions review of the Giorgio Armani My Way Nacre Edition. But before anything else, if you're new here, welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. I'm trying to reach 3,000 subscribers this year, so if these are the types of videos that you like watching, I would really appreciate it if you could hit that subscribe button down below, and if you want to connect with me on my socials, it's at TrishDLF. So in this video, I'm going to be unboxing the Giorgio Armani My Way Nacre Edition, and it came in this paper bag. I got it from Restans, and this is what the box looks like. So it's still currently in its plastic, and I got it on sale. It's 9,250 pesos, but I think it was around like 20% off. So I'm just gonna open the box to show you guys the bottle and what's inside. So it's just in this pink box, and it has that more of glittery finish because this is a Nacre Edition. The original version of My Way was released in 2020, and they released this one, the Nacre Edition, in 2022. And so this is just what it looks like in the box. And here it is. So this is just the bottle. This is the 90 ml, so this is already the biggest size that you can get of this perfume. I believe it also comes in a 50 ml version. So it's just in this gorgeous bottle, which I think is such beautiful packaging for this perfume. It has this like blue cap on top, and it just says Giorgio Armani over there. And the main difference between this Nacre Edition to the original one is that this one has a more of like glitter shine or sheen to it. When this edition came out in 2022, people have complained that this Nacre Edition just smelled the same as the original version, except it had glitters. But honestly, I don't really think so, because there was really something different to this scent when I smelled it versus the original one. So I really prefer this Nacre Edition more. I don't know if it's just my head playing with me, but there is a difference. Although when you read reviews online, it says that they're the same. But yeah, I don't really think so, but let's test it out. So I haven't actually tried this since I bought it, so this is my first time smelling it again, and we're gonna try it out. Usually I just spray it once on my wrist and then twice on my neck. This is how I usually wear perfume. Okay, so I've let it sink in, and it's definitely a very fresh scent. It's very fruity, floral for me, and those are the things that I love in perfume. So I'm just gonna be reading off the notes so that you guys get an idea of what exactly this smells. So off fragnatica.com, the top notes of this are orange blossom and bergamot. The middle notes are tuberose and jasmine. And the base notes are cedar, vanilla, and white musk. I love the fruity floral scent of this perfume. Upon first spray, you can definitely smell the fruitiness of it, like the bergamot and the orange blossom. And then you also kind of get a wisp of the tuberose. But on the dry down, like after it really settles on your skin, then that's when you can smell like the hint of musk. When it comes to perfumes, there's a certain scent that I really like. It's usually patchouli, but recently I've been drawn more into tuberose. So I'm the type of person that only takes me a few seconds to know if I like a scent or not, because my sense of smell already has this preference for that distinguished scent, which is like the florals of like patchouli and then now tuberose. My Way is actually the first perfume that I've smelled that I like that doesn't have patchouli in it. This was a scent that when I first sprayed on, I already knew that there was something about it, and this was kind of more of my vibe. What I like about the scent is it's not too young, and it's also not too old. It's not too young where it's too sweet or like there's too much vanilla in there. It's not like that. And it's not too old where it's musky or too mature smelling. I feel like the scent is just right for my age. An example of what I think is more on the mature side is the Chloe Nomad. I did a review on that as well, which I will link up above, and in that review I said that that was a bit more like mature smelling. I described that scent as more of a mature woman, a mature, tired woman, although still very pleasant, whereas this one has more youth in it compared to the Chloe Nomad. I also like how this edition has glitters on it because it looks like a potion kind of inside this bottle. The original one is just like plain pink liquid inside, but this one has glitters, which is why I think it looks amazing like on your table with this entire bottle. Like it just looks like it's some kind of potion or what have you. So I like the effect of it, and even with regard to scent, I feel like the Nacre Edition version, really, there's a difference, I swear. I don't know what exact note that makes it different, but when I smelled both in store, I really leaned more towards this version. With regard to longevity and sillage, it had a lot of reviews on moderate and long-lasting on Fragnatica, so I have high expectations of this one. Also, with the dry down that I'm smelling right now, this does seem very full. This seems like something that is really full-bodied, like I can really smell it on my skin and it's really like sinking in there, so I have really high expectations for this one. I also tend to read reviews before I buy any perfumes, and the longevity and sillage is very important for me because I only tend to do like 3 to 4 sprays max because I like that like subtle scent. So that's why I got this. I wouldn't have gotten this if it had low ratings for longevity and sillage. So yeah, I have high expectations for this one. A lot of people in Fragnatica said that this is a very generic scent, but I don't think so. I tend to try a lot of scents when I'm out, and this is the first time that I really smelled this, and it was really different and distinguished to me, which is why I really liked it, and so that's why I got it. So I don't think it's generic at all. It's a very unique, fruity, floral, everyday scent, and it's something that I think would be great for daily wear. So that's all for my review of the Giorgio Armani My Way Nacre Edition. I hope you guys like this video. Let me know if you have any questions. I'm going to try this out and I'm going to test out the sillage and longevity, and I can answer your questions about this perfume in the comments down below. If you like this video, I would really appreciate it if you hit that like button down below to help the YouTube algorithm, and if you want to connect with me on my socials, it's at TrishDLF. Again, I am trying to reach 3,000 subscribers this year, so if you haven't subscribed yet, I would really appreciate it if you could. That's all for now, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!